Hello, dear students. Welcome to yet another learning of English grammar. Today, we shall learn about gender and its types. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with it.
So, what is the meaning of gender? Gender refers to the classification of nouns. So, whenever we are classifying nouns, grouping nouns as male or female names mainly, it is called as gender. Now, when we say that a particular name is of a male, female, or a thing, we are telling its gender. So, whenever we speak like this, that this name is of a male man, this name is of a female woman, this name is of a thing, inanimate object, then we are telling its gender. जब भी हम ऐसे कहें कि ये नाम किसी आदमी का है, ये नाम किसी महिला का है और ये नाम किसी चीज़ का है, तो हम उसका जेंडर बता रहे होते हैं. ठीक है. सो मीनिंग ऑफ जेंडर, आई होप इट्स क्लियर. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड चिल्ड्रन. Okay students, so let's learn about the types of gender. In English there are 4 types of gender, namely masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Right? So the names of boys and men are of masculine gender, the names of girls and women are of feminine gender, the names which can be used for both male as well as female are of common gender, and the names of things and places are of neuter gender. Right? So these are the 4 types of gender. Now let's understand these genders in detail. So let's start with masculine gender. Names used for boys, men and male animals are of masculine gender. वो नाम जो लड़कों के लिए, पुरुषों के लिए और नर जानवरों के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, वो मस्कुलिन जेंडर के अंदर आते हैं, वो मस्कुलिन जेंडर वाले होते हैं. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रमेश किसी आदमी या लड़के का नाम होता है. किंग एक पुरुष ही हो सकता है. लायन शेर, बुल बैल, all these are names of males, hence they are of masculine gender. Okay. Let's understand feminine gender now. Names used for girls, women and female animals are of feminine gender. वो नाम जो लड़कियों के लिए, औरतों के लिए या मादा जानवरों के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, उनको feminine gender के names कहते हैं. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गीता, गीता किसी औरत या लड़की का ही नाम होता है. क्वीन एक नारी ही हो सकती है, महारानी, रानी. Then lioness, शेरनी, cow, गाय, all these are names of females, hence they are of feminine gender. Let's understand common gender. Names which can be used for both males and females are of common gender. वो नाम जो पुरुषों के लिए और महिलाओं के लिए, दोनों के लिए इस्तेमाल हो सकते हैं, वो नाम कॉमन जेंडर वाले नेम्स होते हैं. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डॉक्टर, डॉक्टर जब हम कहते हैं तो मेल डॉक्टर को भी कह सकते हैं और फीमेल डॉक्टर को भी कह सकते हैं. सिमिलरली आर्टिस्ट, टीचर, पायलट, all these names can be used for both male as well as female, hence they are of common gender. Let's understand the last of the gender groups, that is neuter gender. Names that are used for things and places are of neuter gender. वो नाम जो चीज़ों के लिए या जगहों के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, वो न्यूटर जेंडर कैटेगरी के होते हैं. जैसे कि चेयर, बुक, शॉप, हाउस, all these are either name of things or places, hence they are of neuter gender. ये या तो फिर चीज़ों के नाम हैं या जगहों के नाम हैं, इसलिए ये न्यूटर जेंडर के अंदर आते हैं. ठीक है. Now let's do a nice exercise to strengthen our learning. Underline the nouns in the following sentences and place them in the correct gender group. Okay, so we have 4 sentences here. What we have to do first is to underline the names. हमें इन सारे sentences में पहले names को underline करना है, nouns को underline करना है, and then we have to place those nouns in the correct gender group. उन सारे names को फिर हम सही gender के group में लिख देंगे. ठीक है. So let's start with the first sentence here. I have a brother and a sister. Right? So which are the names in this sentence? brother and sister. Right. So brother is used for males. Brother जो है वो पुरुषों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, मेल्स के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Hence brother will come in which category? It will be masculine. Yes. And sister is used for women or girls. Hence sister will come in feminine category. Very nice. So I hope you have understood. Let's do it fast. Second one, the school was open for the students. So the school was open for the students. Here, which are the names? Nouns. School, name of a place, and students, name of people who attend the school, right? So school जो है वो name of place है, and name of places can't be male or female. Hence they are of neuter gender. So school will come in which category? Neuter gender category. And students will come in which column? Students is used for both male as well as female. Hence it comes in common gender category. Okay. Now third one, Subhash likes to eat fruits. Now Subhash, when we say, it's a name of a person, hence it's a noun, and fruits, name of eatables. Now when you say Subhash, it sounds like a male name or a female name? It's a male name, right? So Subhash will come in masculine column. And fruits, when you say, can it be of male or female? No, it's a name of thing. It's a food item which we eat. Hence it comes in neuter gender category, right? And the last sentence now, my aunt is a doctor. So which are the names here? Here again two nouns are there, aunt and doctor. Now when you say aunt, auntie, auntie is used for male or female? Definitely female, right? Okay, so aunt will come under feminine column, and doctor can be used for both male as well as female. तो ऐसे नेम जो मेल और फीमेल दोनों के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, they come under common gender category. So doctor comes in common gender column. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the exercise. Now let's see some more examples of masculine and feminine gender names of people and animals. Okay, so the first picture is of monk and nun. Monk matlab sadhu and nun matlab sadhvi. The second picture is of lion and lioness. Lion matlab sher and lioness matlab sherni. The third picture is of emperor and empress. Emperor matlab maharaja and empress matlab maharani. The fourth picture is of gentleman and lady. Gentleman means a well-behaved man, and lady means a well-behaved woman. Then peacock and peahen. Peacock matlab मोर और peahen matlab मोरनी. Then tiger, tigress. Tiger matlab बाघ and tigress matlab बाघिन. Then bridegroom, bride. Bridegroom means दूल्हा and bride means दुल्हन. So these were examples of masculine and feminine gender names of people and animals. Now let's have a nice exercise to finish our learning. Fill in the blanks with the proper words from those given in the brackets. Now what you have to do in this exercise, you have to read the sentences, and in the sentences there will be hints which will indicate you whether you have to choose the feminine gender name or the masculine gender name. There will be 5 fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's start with the first one. A blank lays eggs. Hen or cock? ये अंडे देती है. Hen के cock, मुर्गी के मुर्गा. Now you know clearly it's always the hen which lays eggs. It's never the cock. मुर्गा कभी अंडे देता नहीं है. It's मुर्गी only, hen only which lays eggs. So here laying eggs is the hint, people, from which we came to know that hen is the answer. So we'll write hen as the answer. You can see in the picture also, hen along with its eggs. Alright, let's see the second one here. The blank was looking beautiful in the sari. So here the hinting word is sari. Yes, who wears a sari? Bride, dulhan ke bridegroom, dulha. It's never the dulha who wears the sari. It's the dulhan, bride, who wears the sari. Can you see in this picture? Okay, so it's bride, dulhan was looking beautiful in the sari. Let's see the third one here. The girl decided to become a blank in the future. Monk or nun? गर्ल ने निश्चित किया कि भविष्य में वो ये बनेगी. साधु, monk K. Sadhvi, nun. Now a girl can only become Sadhvi. She cannot become Sadhu. Monk तो बन नहीं सकती है. She'll become nun only. So here nun is the answer. Let's see the remaining two. Fill in the blanks. The fourth and the fifth one. Fourth one first. The blank licked her cub. Tiger or tigress? Now you might have seen in animals, to express their affection, they lick each other. So here the picture is of an animal licking her young one, right? Acha, which is the hinting word here? The hinting word in this sentence is her. Her is used for females and never for males, right? Okay, so it's a pronoun used for females. So which is the female animal, tiger or tigress? It's tigress. So in the picture it's the tigress licking her cup. So here the answer would be tigress. Okay, and the last one, good boys should behave like blank, gentlemen or ladies. Now boys is the hinting word here. Boys, can they behave like ladies? क्या लड़के ladies जैसा व्यवहार कर सकते हैं, behave कर सकते हैं? No. Better would be if they behave like gentlemen. So good boys should behave like gentlemen. Wonderful. So we have completed today's learning.
So then, dear students, hope you have enjoyed today's learning. Do complete the assignment and send it on my WhatsApp number. Till we meet next time, take care of yourselves. Jai Hind.